Reason behind why Taptap Send not working in UAE. So first, we need to understand UAE's rule on money apps. So in the UAE, many international money transfers apps are restricted. The government controls which apps can send money abroad to keep financial systems safe. Taptap Send is one of the apps that is not officially supported in the UAE. Now, check if the app is blocked. So if Taptap Send won't open and connect, it may be blocked by your internet provider. Try opening the app using mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if it works on either. If it still doesn't open, it is likely restricted. Or you can use approval money transfer option. So instead of Taptap Send, use apps that are licensed in the UAE, like Western Union, Al Ansari Exchange, or UAE Exchange. These services are legal and safe to use for sending money abroad. Or you can avoid VPNs for money transfer. So using a VPN to access Taptap Send is not recommended. It can cause account suspension or legal issue in the UAE. Always use approved channels to stay safe. Finally, contact Taptap Send support. So if you see these issues, visit the Taptap Send website or email their support team. They can confirm if the app is available in your region or suggested an alternative. So this is the reason behind why Taptap Send not working in UAE. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.